Hi friends, Rakesh here. I hope all of you are having good time. In today's video, I'm going to share how to import data from Excel sheets to R and how to make a scatter plot, compare different data sets and visualize them and see what can be or could be the impact for a huge set of data sets. So to do that, today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compare the price of crude oil versus the price of petrol in India. So basically, to do that, I have downloaded the crude oil price right from this website. This is economic research website. You can Google it and just browse the data sets that you want to do research on. For my example, I have downloaded the data right from here in CSV, and then I have the another file right here which is having the petrol price for Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, and in last I have added the Brent crude oil price right from this file. It is just simple VLOOKUP, and I'm gonna do analysis on these two column. One is the petrol price, and another one is the this is table, so not getting changed. Okay, no worry. So one is the petrol price and another is the Brent crude oil price USD per barrel. All right, so let's just jump into our studio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close all the files. I'm gonna import the data set from scratch. So as I clicked on import data set right here, and I'm gonna browse my file wherein I have saved the petrol price and Brent crude oil price for comparison. So this is the file name. I'm gonna select this sheet as petrol. I'll click import and my data will just come right here. So all done. The data is imported. If you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you to download some small package which you need to just say yes, and it will just get installed automatically. Okay, so let's get to the point. Let me attach this data set. So there's a command called attach and the file name is oil price underscore petrol. So I've attached my data set. Now I'm gonna call library. I'm gonna call ggplotw from library so that I can make the scattered plot. Okay, ggplot2. I'm gonna hit enter. If you have not installed this package, you can simply type install.package and in bracket you can type ggplot2 and it will be installed. So simply, if you find any difficulty, you can just Google a bit and you will find how to do it simply. So let's move ahead and make the scattered plot. So I'm gonna type ggplot parenthesis on. I'm gonna type my table name. So that's oil price underscore petrol. Let's draw the x-axis and y-axis. So my x-axis is basically month, right, and my y-axis is basically Delhi. Remember that R is a case sensitive language, so you need to be careful with your wordings and selections. Alright, so I am done with selecting x-axis and y-axis. Let's add geometric point. So this is basically used for creating a scattered plot. You can see the description right here. Alright, I'm gonna just put it on and enter. Alright, so you can see that the proper scattered plot chart has been created. Now let's make it little nicer. I'll click the up arrow key so that the last line of code will appear as is. Now I'm gonna do some changes right here. So I'm gonna add political parties and as a color. So what I want is that the different political party regime data should be colored properly. So I'm gonna type color equal to, I'll type political party, and I'll select it right from here and I'll hit enter. So if you see, the color for two different political party has been changed right here. For BJP was in power during this period, and then from this period to this period, Congress was in power, and thereafter BJP again came into power, and currently they are into power. So let's move ahead and all right, so this is about basically the petrol prices, RS per liter. All right, but this basically does not show me the prices of Brent crude oil right here. So to add that, I'll again have to work little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one more command and I'll add Brent crude oil price as size. All right, size equal to Brent crude oil euro. Let me again repeat. This is the per liter price of petrol in Delhi. All right, and this is the time series. Okay, and now what I'm gonna add is the Brent crude oil price per barrel in USD. Okay, this is throwing some error. Let me see what is wrong. Okay, I seems to have missed one comma right here. So I'll just add a comma and again hit enter. Okay, so now you can see that the size is basically representing the change in Brent crude oil rate as well. Let us just move ahead and add the smooth line as well. So what I'm gonna do is GEOM underscore smooth. Okay, so let's just select and hit enter. So alright, the line has been drawn, and to understand it in detail, let us just zoom it and see. Alright, so here on y-axis you have the petrol price in INR per liter, and here this is x-axis which represents your time series. Here the political parties which is being basically represented by different colors. So for BJP you can see that this is orange color, and for Congrats, it's blue. And this is your Brent crude oil per barrel USD rate, which is basically been represented as the size of the circle. So as the circle is getting larger and larger and larger, the price is getting changed from, for example, you can see the smaller the circle, the lesser the price, the higher the circle, the higher the price. So that's how it is moving. And you can see right here that during this time, as the crude oil prices were lesser, as you can see the smaller dots, the petrol price were lesser too. As the crude oil prices has increased, the petrol prices has increased too. As the crude oil price has decreased, the petrol price has decreased too. So that's how it is trending. And if you see right here during BJP regime, the crude oil price has fallen a bit, okay, and it is something similar to 25 to 50, but the petrol prices have not, fallen in that proportion. They have the different regions, and there are a lot of news about it, and you can Google it and witness it too, and that'll match up with this data which I'm showing you right here. So this is how it is in recent time. The crude oil prices has again increased, and so the petrol prices is also going up. So that's what it is. Thank you for your time. If you like the video, please share it with lots of people. Okay, thanks for your time again. Bye bye.